This is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. This device does work very well with all Samsung devices, especially the S22 Ultra, S22 Plus, S22, S21, S21 Ultra, S21 Plus, S20. All Samsung devices are going to work really well with this Galaxy Buds Pro. So the small black box has only paperwork. It is the quick start guide, all the manuals, all the informations that you need about this device. After that, there is another rectangular small box, and this one contains the charging cable. This is USB-A to USB-C in order to charge your Galaxy Buds Pro. And it also has the fittings for your Galaxy Buds Pro if you need to change the fittings that they have on the device right now. So the box does not contain any chargers, but the USB-A to USB-C can seem a little bit challenging today because most of the chargers that I personally have do not have an USB-A port. So it can be a little bit challenging, or you might have to get another charger with USB-A if you get this device. You can simply also use your Samsung Galaxy charger to charge your Galaxy Buds Pro. It will work, and it is a Samsung charger. There is no need for another charger. This being the Pro model, it is much larger than the Galaxy Bud Live, and it has more battery capacity also than the smaller Galaxy Buds.